Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel Yaropol80. Today I am visiting a close area to Chicago in Illinois state, and I just came across this beautiful replica of the Leaning Tower in Pisa in Italy. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this replica. Thank you very much for all your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best.
You got me wrapped around here lately. Got no time for the games that you're playing, and I ain't got no time. And I ain't got no time. And the flame's not the same here lately. Off the wall, can I fall here?